Hi, I'm Chief SectorSurfer, and I'm going to give you just a teaser introduction to what I'll be introducing in California mid-May 2013. Here's a very nice performing strategy called Jonathan. It's made predominantly from Fidelity mutual funds. Very nice 25, 10, and 3-year performance. And it has a very interesting characteristic over here. It was born on May 3rd, 1995. How did that happen? And over here, starting at about that same time on the axis, there are these series of yellow dots along the time axis, as if something important happened at each of those dates. I wonder what that could be. Here's a familiar pop-up window for strategy information. Interestingly, it has a new button called Show Advanced Options. I wonder what that could be. It looks like there might be some interesting advanced options in the future. Perhaps something for determining when a chart should start. Maybe less spaghetti? How about some storm guard options? How about the white line plotted reference index? Maybe you always want the S&P 500, AGG bond, or maybe the average of the funds that participate in the strategy. Oh, and look at this. Strategy tuning options. How about using forward walk progressive tuning and specifying the born-on date? And how about some trend extraction options? I guess we'll see what they do sometime in the future.